Unplug the Satellites. I'm fighting the best Skywars player right now. It's not Rubric this time. This guy is actually 50 times better than Rubric, in my opinion. In my personal, honest opinion. And I can't beat him! I can't. I'm sorry if I'm breaking your ears. But I cannot freaking beat this guy. I can't. And I don't think anybody else can either. This guy fought another guy who was apparently #1 or was #1 or something. I don't know what's going on with the Skywars list anymore. But he 2-0'd him like nothing. Traders him. This guy, Adroit, 2-0'd that guy who was apparently #1 NA like nothing. Like, oh, it was just a casual freaking morning stroll. Like, what the actual hell? You're gonna see how this guy plays. I have never fought anybody like this, bro. Especially on NA. This is like actually diabolical. And he's not drag clicking. I'm sorry that I'm actually like literally crashing out, but I just can't. I've already went to the 5 stages of grief yesterday and today. Oh my god. You heard me gulp and everything. That's how bad it is. That's how bad it is. So 25 arrows. Okay, that's better though. That's better. I like that. Two snowballs as well. That's different than the average days I've been getting. Two boomboxes, 2 gapples, probably more arrows in here. Yep, knew it. Called it. All right. I'm gonna see you until I fight this guy. All right, here we go. Minimize this so I could actually fight. Here we go. He's hitting me from 50 yards away. He's hitting me from 50 yards away. As you can see, this guy, the way this guy is playing. I have to play so annoying. I'm sorry, I'm playing like an actual Doomgafist. I have to play like a doofapus, because then if I don't, then everything goes haywire. Why is he bow spamming so much? Bro, he really made me think he was gonna run away. Oh my! Oh my god! Oh my god! I actually beat him for once! Oh my god! Okay, don't react too much. Oh my god. Holy frickin' moly. I'm telling you, this guy, I've never fought anybody like this dude. And he plays like a cheater, but he isn't cheating. Ooh, that was a bad. I'm also not time clicking because last time I tried time clicking, I went to the 6 stages of grief. I'm actually so locked in, it's not even funny. I've never been this locked in my entire life. Gonna have a boombox. I don't know why I did that. I instinctively did that because I thought I had a boombox. On the water, please. Dude, I can't. I can't compete with this playstyle. The annoying playstyle is what gets me. I swear. This is the same thing that happened with El Deuce or whatever. If you know, you know. He's also like, it's not even that, it's just an annoying playstyle. He also is good paired with that. Paired with an annoying playstyle. Like everything that he does is perfect. Like it's picture perfect. He's like a ChatGPT if he was a Minecraft player. He's like a robot. It's like fighting a chess, like a freaking stockfish in chess or something. That's what it feels like with me, or to me. .5. He's a lot higher now. 7.5. Yeah, he's actually a lot higher. Holy freaking crap, bro. Holy freaking crap. I bet that was the first time he ever actually got beat. Like, ever. In his like, right now, bro. That was actually diabolically insane. Voice crack and all. Voice crack to pair with it. Dude, that was... Oh, he logged. He relogged. Oh my goodness, bro. Holy crap. Wait, is he... Don't tell me he's gonna get off after that. Don't tell me he's gonna get... No, wait. How long has it been? 9 minutes. It's only been 9 minutes. Come on, lock in. Okay, there we go. Good. I was about to say, if he didn't join, bro, I was gonna say something. I was about to say everything. Alright, I feel like... Alright, I'm acting like I'm high or something. I don't know what I'm talking about. Oh... Ho, 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 ho. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Dang, bro. Dang. Just dang, just dang, just dang. XQO skin as well. Representing XQO. Because this is actually how bro plays. This is how XQO used to play. This is his play style. Ajoy is like XQO, but on very, very extreme steroids. Oh my god. I'm never gonna stop babbling about that. That was actually diabolically insane, as I said once before. Cheese, dude. Jesus! Cheese! Cheese! 7 arrows. 9 arrows. Now I'm speaking in gibberish. That's how you know it's bad. 15 arrows now. Ooh, 2 apples. You know what? Give me this. I'm gonna use bro. Let's see if he likes it too. Let's see if he likes a frozen boombox punched in his face. I literally leave the freaking frozen boombox in the chest because that's how useless I think it is. But apparently it isn't, because when this guy uses it on me, it just destroys my flow. So maybe it's used for something. Alright, 31. I like this arrow like format right here. Bunch of blocks, bunch of iron. Look at this. I like this. 33 arrows. I think this year, I'm pretty sure this year is when Gumball Season 7 comes out. I'm very excited for that. And then Demon Slayer season, or like the movie of Demon Slayer, and then what is it? Blue Lock Season 3. What's another one? Phineas and Ferb Season 4. I finished Season 5. I mean, Phineas and Ferb Season 5. I actually finished Season 4 recently. It was a good show. But like, I mean, I've already watched it like 50 times, but rewatched it again. I haven't watched it in a while, so that was good. I can't wait for the season 5 of that. Probably more excited for Gumball, to be honest. And there's this game called Subliminal that I don't think is gonna come out this year, but they said that they will come out, so maybe it will. All right, let's get back into the game. 34 arrows. 36 now. 37. Is that boots that I hit in the? I don't think it is. Nope. It's just like 50 freaking or swords. Give me. Ooh, wait a minute. I like that right there, dude. Oh, you have boots. 37 arrows, by the way. This is not gonna work. This is not gonna work. All right, log on. Do you not have arrows? God damn. Okay, he extremely locked in. I gotta spam projectiles. I don't count that. That was a dumb kill. I don't count that. Dude, that was... Oh my god. This guy, like, you see that, bro, right? You see that? Jesus Christ, bro. This guy literally... I'm telling you, he's an AI, dude. He's an AI. And not in a bad way. He's literally an AI done perfect. He's ChatGPT like 4.0 plus 550 version 63,000. Like everything this guy does is like I didn't even hit him once yet. I have to play annoying now. Cause I'm literally forced to play annoying because I can't play any other way. Okay, that was just actually insane. This guy, I'm telling you, is better than DanyPlayz in his prime. I didn't say that yet, but I said that DanyPlayz, well, he was better than DanyPlayz when he was watched. I think I said that in another recording. But this, I think he's better than DanyPlayz in his prime. I think this guy right here is the best player of all time. I'm not even kidding. There's nobody who does it like him. He literally does everything perfect. I'm telling you, dude. I do one mistake or I do one little freaking fafapple. It goes to crap. I immediately start getting like freaking. He immediately starts like a 60 hit combo, bro. Bro, that wasn't even on purpose either. That I made his boombox play something there, and now I'm just cooked. Now I just lose because this guy literally just hit me from like. That was a nice boombox though. I did. Oh, he's actually kind of low. No, but he just uses all his freaking projectiles. Dead, dead. Okay, I don't know what he's doing anymore. 9.5. I'm just gonna build the head hitters all over the place. Hit him with my dumb freaking blocks. And then when I actually like get him low or something, like he just runs the entire time and he just freaking gets stuff. And then he gets the most insane combo and he's all of a sudden like super up. That affected him more than me. And there we go. I'm telling you, 50 hit combo right here. 50 hit combo. Just die. No. Oh, now I'm lower. And then I die. I folded that so badly, man. This is gonna be a 30-minute video, bro. I don't give a frick, bro. This is gonna take like 3 hours to render or no, like 3 hours to upload or something. I don't even care. I don't even care. Because this is actually the most diabolical thing I've ever seen in my entire life. And here we go. We're back to square one. We're back to square one. You screw the redstone. Actually, no, don't screw the redstone because then I die. But no, but there's 10 seconds left. Just die. Just die, please. Just die. Just die. Just die, please. Please. No. 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 I can't. This is literally about to be a 30-minute video. I have to beat this guy. I am going through the... I don't care. I don't care. I'm going through it. 30-minute video. Don't care. I don't care. Probably going to be a 27-minute video because I'm going to pause this here. All right, we're back. Minimize. Lock in. Why is he breaking? Okay, I'm not even going to ask. Hit me from 50 blocks away again. I like this area he's in. I no longer like this area that he's in. I don't care that I said that extremely wrong. Nope. If he uses that, I'm doomed. Okay, let me get blocks in the right position, though, bro. Come on. I'm gonna actually... Run, 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 run. Run like you've never had before. And he just hits that insane, diabolically insane shot. This is literally... I'm accepting it at this point. This is the fifth. I've hit the 5th stage. I'm accepting it. Like, just wow. I have never fought anybody this consistently, like, cracked out of his mind. Like, literally every single thing that this guy does, he uses 100% of his brain power. He doesn't do any mistakes or something. I have to be playing a 100% of my capacity, man. Like, probably failed the reach test right there. I'm not gonna lie. Yes, I did mind that in 3rd person or 2nd person. He shoots this so fast. He shoots it so fast. That's what he did. That's what he did. I don't get this, dude, bro. I don't get this. It was perfectly fine before, or like a week ago or something, when I last fought him. But all of a sudden, yesterday, he becomes literally the best player of all time overnight, man, or something. Like, not even overnight. I just haven't fought him in a while. You could literally watch that one video. What is it? I don't even know which one it was. There was a video that I fought traders and like around. I just know I played him, and you could see it was like very like back and forth. But most of the time, these fights are just very one-sided, and the only reason I'm even like still alive is because I'm playing annoying. Like, he just gets those hits consistently and I can't. And he gets that redstone somehow. And then he eats a gap when I'm cooked. And he freaking... This is... How do I not? No, you cannot tell me that pearl didn't land. Okay, this is a I give up, I guess, bro. I'm gonna keep fighting this guy while this video is uploading. Actually, I don't think I'm gonna do that because then now I'm gonna start lagging and this is gonna be unplayable. I'll fight this guy after the video is uploaded because I cannot fathom someone could be this good without cheating. Now I'm saying that he's cheating. He's obviously not. Or he probably isn't. I assume he's not. He's just playing very, very differently than anybody I've fought. And it's just he's just playing like an actual. I'm just stuck. I literally can't do anything here. Like, I don't know what you want me to do right there. This is the acceptance letter. I've already resigned. I'm literally gonna fight this guy. I'm gonna hyperfixate on fighting this guy until I get like his code of beating him. And yes, that means I'm gonna fight him right here. Oh my god, I can't. But yeah, that's the end of the video. I'm gonna keep fighting this guy off camera. This video is literally gonna be like 40 minutes if I keep going, and I do not want this to take like 3 years to upload. So yeah, I will find a way. Next Friday, maybe or some second channel video, I will beat this guy. I will make a video beating this guy once and for all. This guy is like a villain right now. Okay, all right, that's it. Well, actually, I'll just like pause until like I'm gonna do this fight. I'm gonna pause and then I'll tell you what happens after or something. Yeah, okay, I'll do that. Holy frick! Holy frick! Holy. Okay, he beat me one time in that game in the start when I was like diddly dallying and I was trying to find his playstyle, and then for like 5 minutes straight. It was just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I was getting him, he was getting me, and we kept running like very professionally. And then like 5 seconds remaining in the game, I killed him. So then 1-1, I finally tied with him. Oh my god, that was insane. I'm definitely gonna fight him still. Okay, that's it. See ya.